Gondor dog food production line. For automation and high productivity. Processing flow. Break the bones into small particles. Grind the broken bones into a paste. Squeezing raw materials through molds. Used for drying before packaging. Mix oil and seasonings on feed. Cool and transport to packaging machine. Customizable line design. Efficient expansion, stable output. High degree of automation. Cooling and shaping. Precise screening. Uniform pallet quality. Application product display.